What it do, YouTube? What's going on? It's me, the Bob for here. Yet another video. Guess what, YouTube? This is my brand new catchphrase. Hope you guys like it. Hope I'm not stealing anyone else's. If you do know anyone else that does use or do YouTube, then tell me. I'll hit them up on Instagram, maybe Twitter, or YouTube message them, and see if it's okay if I can use it, or I'll just find out something else. Let's hop right into this joint, baby. Be hype. You look at this play. Ooh, I think KD is finally catching up on LeBron flopping skill. Yeah, you think that was a charge? Yo, that was just KD flopping. That was not a flop. One more time? Sure. Oh, hell no. Hell no, bro. Oh, and now Derek Fisher is running into Greg Steve's nuts. But this was a new call, thankfully. Like, just look at this. It's kind of funny how he doesn't really see Greg Steedman coming while I'm coming up the court. And then you see me. Oh, they said that was a 3, which it was. But you saw that, and you heard that. Derek Fisher for fail. LOL. Surprise, motherfucker. Yo, so I'm here, and I'm gonna incorporate some sound into this replay. Oh, little bit. Just wait till I find it. Just wait 2 seconds. Where is it? Oh, okay. That. You see me here, sort of getting a screen from Jason Smith. Then you know what I do? Oh, did that go off the backboard? Yeah, that was, if it went off the backboard, then that's a true tra-la-la-la-la. Yep, that went off the backboard. That was extreme troll. Extreme troll to the max. Troll to the max. Oh wait, yo guys, check this out. Russell Westbrook wearing the same kick Jordan kicks. Like Russell Westbrook wearing the same Jordan kicks as Jackson Ellis. Excuse me? Yo, I got Russell Westbrook on me, partially. And you know what? He gonna get that work. He is gonna get that work. Yo, let's go. Let's see this. Let's see this. Like, yo, he don't think he gonna come into my house and be all like, yo, I'm totes gonna go that lockdown defense. Like, you hear that, right? Yo, this is Sparta. This is my house. Don't you be coming here thinking you can do whatever you please. Play that defense, yo, or you gon' get that walk and you gon' be on top 10 failures of all time, and I'm gon' be on top 10. I'm gon' be on Sports 10. If I can speak, trash. I'm gonna be on Sports Center's top 10, baby. Let's go. Now I got KD on me. Yo, he gonna get that work too. You know he gonna get that. Sorry, I gotta do a KD. You need some, help. You just see what I do to Westbrook? Except this time it's worse. I faded. I'm faded. Oh, and Westbrook was in the picture. Yo, let's go. There's no going back for them. They just got that work big time, yo. So you see here, we on the boat, right? So I'm gonna come back here. Yeah, you see Durant, but no. This ain't for Durant. You just watch this. Just look at that. I come in and I'm like, yo, we trolling out here even though we still losing. We gotta mount this comeback, yo.
And the Thunder lead by 14.
So you see we in the first quarter, we trying to mount a comeback. Look how this is working out.
Ross is covered by Fisher. Davis sets a screen. On the wing, Miller.
Miller take it.
To Anderson.
Anderson for three.
But they recover it.
There's another opportunity, and everything's going right for these guys.
Oh, what? That wide open three would.
Nothing's falling for him this quarter. He's really out of his rhythm.
Yeah.
Screen by Ibaka.
Oh, I didn't even see him going.
Again, a bucket for Fisher.
You gotta like his shot selection today. He set a good example for the rest of his teammates.
Evans outside. Top of the key. Misses
Evans,
off the left iron. The Thunder leading by 16.
Oh,
Durant
I just realized it's by 16.
Back to Durant. Ibaka sets the pick for Durant. Takes a three. Good. Fisher's got 11 in the second half.
The struggle is
In
real,
this quarter,
bro.
the game plan should be simple. Get him the ball and get out of the way.
Doris Burke has an update for us. Doris?
Over the last break, Kevin, I got a chance to hear what Scott Brooks said to his team. He told his guys that they needed to be much more patient at the offensive end. They're wasting possessions, he said, with bad shot selection. He also conveyed very strongly that they need to not take chances defensively, saying, quote, going for a steal and getting burned is not worth it. So Coach waiting until the final stages to pull a few tricks out of his sleeve. Kevin, let's see if he's made a wise decision.
Thank you, Doris. Durant, that's good.
Oh,
Durant's got 25 points.
and
This
look.
has been a one-sided game in just about every area that the lead continues to grow.
Absolutely, their offense and their D have been equal part-time.
Oh, what you want, Cole? Don't come my way.
And give an unofficial assist mark to his teammate for setting this.
Oh. Wait. Just 20 seconds, bro. 2 seconds. Getting the pick. That's right. Rat.
Green that freed him up.
Man, good call, Kevin. That was really the key to the play.
Let's actually redo that.
Poked away.
Oh crap, I
And
could have
out
picked
of
it
bounds.
up.
The Thunder able to retain
Why
possession.
didn't I pick it up? I'm an idiot. Why did I not pick that up? I am so stupid.
Ibaka, the pass to Durant. And he lays it straight in.
Let's actually try to replicate that play and get another dunk.
Has given up far too many free runs to the rim.
And they haven't been able to return the favor. I mean, their offense in the paint has not been up to par.
And the Thunder making a switch here. Machine the beat, who's checked in for Perkins. Jones comes in for Serge Ibaka. Roberson, he's checked in for Kevin Durant. And Reggie Jackson.
Oh, random stoop layup? Of course not.
An 8-rebound advantage like the one they have now is always going to swing the score hard in that team's direction.
And that's certainly been the case today. Their rebounding has made a huge difference.
And one team is just completely outclassing the other tonight. Spirited performance, and it really ignited what is turning out to be a monster win here for the Thunder.
And they could do no wrong today, Steve. That's right. This was a team performing to its fullest capability.
Yes, very satisfying win for them, too. A game to remember, and on the other side, definitely one you want to forget as soon as possible.
And so this will now translate to 14 wins on the season.
Come
And so
on.
by winning the first of 3 in this season series, it should give them plenty of momentum and confidence for the next time they'll have to lace their sneakers up against the Pelicans.
Well, you look back at this one, and what an amazing performance this has been for Durant. He was really important under the basket, making great plays down low and getting in position to pull in all those rebounds.
See a wide open paint. Let's draw the defender up.
6 on the shot clock. Ross, count the bucket.
Finally, I get a basket.
Here's Jackson. Clark, and they can just let the clock run out here.
No argument with that W.
Out left to the wing.
Grab motherfucker.
He kicks it to Fisher. There's the 3.
That's just cold-hearted.
Assist that time.
Well, they've done a great job keeping the fans out of the game today, and the closer they get to the win, the quieter it gets.
Yeah, we call that the sweet sounds of silence. They're going to savor this win as well they should. Every road win.
Did that layup count?
A little extra reward.
So,
52 VC. And we have.
Hey man, before we go to the gym, I got something I want to discuss with you.
Cool, bro. You know I'm always willing to listen.
All right, man. Well, you know you've been in the NBA for a while now, and the game's starting to pick up. So I want to talk to you about what you can expect in the future.
Future. You mean?
You may not want to play here forever.
Yeah, I don't know. Guess we'll see.
All right. Well, you know, as you get more comfortable with the team, you get to know the GM a bit more, you're going to get an opportunity to request a trade. So as an agent, it's my job to make the calls behind the scenes. You know, and see how willing other teams are to make a deal for you.
Yeah, you talked to me about all that stuff.
Yeah, and you may be able to gauge the GM a bit, you know, but at a certain point, there's no going back once you ask for a trade. So that's why I want to give you all the information I can, as up to date as possible. I want you to make the right decisions at the right time.
I appreciate that.
Hey, don't forget, all right? You know, once you go too far talking to the media or you push the team, rub them the wrong way, they may just move you without any warning or input.
Yeah, man. I'll be careful. What else you got for me?
Just one more thing, man. You know, while we're here, I thought I'd let you know what I'm trying to do for you in terms of endorsements.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Yo, honestly, I'm down for whatever you get.
Yeah, well, just maybe these small little local deals for now, you know, but as your name gets more recognizable, we'll get you with the big names, you know. But basically, I am doing everything I can to get you on everyone's radar.
So you already talking about this guy?
Oh, yeah. Nike, Jordan, Gatorade, Sprite, they all know who you are, man. So all you gotta do is just keep it up, man. Just keep their attention and keep raising your game just like you have been.
Awesome, bro. Yo, I think you're out there working hard for me, huh? Boy.
You know what, man? It's just a matter of time, man. It's coming. Yeah, man. No, I'm not hungry. We're going to the gym. Let's go.
So do I want to be traded? Like, do you guys want to see me be traded? Like, because the Pelican. Actually, you can go here, and, oh, wait, no, not here. Yeah, so Eric Gordon is actually injured. But I forgot, where do you go to see? Well, I'm in the top of the race for Rookie of the Year. Whoop, whoop. But, you know, I forgot about stuff, so, okay, do you want to go on? Wait, I'm gonna see, you know.